Okay, I'm ready to start buying some cryptocurrency. How the hell do you invest into crypto? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can start investing in crypto by the time your coffee's done. Alright, let's not beat around the bush. You've thought about it, you've done your research, you've read about it, what you have to do before you invest your hard-earned money into something, and now you're ready to start becoming a crypto investor. You're ready to purchase some crypto assets. How do you start investing in cryptocurrency? First thing you have to decide is, are you going to be an investor or are you going to be a trader? An investor is someone like me where I'll buy Ethereum and Bitcoin. These are the most popular forms of cryptocurrency. You can debate this, there's Cardano, there's Polkadot, there's others, but these are like the main two. So if you want to be an investor, there's people that just buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum nonstop. Whether it goes up or down, they buy it every week, they do dollar cost averaging, they keep on buying it. They're investors. They believe that this is the future of currency, that digital currency is the way. So they invest and they hold it, and they're just going to hold it until the end of time. So you have to figure that out on your own. Are you going to be investing or trading? And then when you decide from there, then you can move on. So I said I was an investor, but I do a lot of trading too. So for example, I bought some Ethereum, it went up a lot, and I sold it because I am not afraid to take my profits and to move on. I am not married to cryptocurrency. I do believe that it could be the future, but I'm not 100% all in. So I've been messing around with buying Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I've sold it when I made money, and I bought back in at the bottom. Hopefully it goes even higher. I'm not even going to say the price, because by the time I publish this video, the price could be anything. It could honestly be a pullback, it could be a crash, it could be at the moon. So once you decide on that, then you decide on which platform you're going to use. There's many different ways to buy cryptocurrency, and the one thing I heard, the best advice I heard was to keep your cryptocurrency close to home, close to where you live. So for example, in Canada, there's a banking app, Wealthsimple, they allow you to buy it. A lot of people are using Binance. There's also Crypto.com, there's CoinDesk, CoinSquare. There's so many different places. Basically decide which platform you will use. This will honestly all depend on your preferences and how easily you want to transfer the money. With Binance, you have to look at the pros and cons. With Binance, my struggle was that I have to use my credit card to purchase coins, and I get hit with fees. So as a Canadian investor, I decided to use ShakePay because I can transfer money from my bank account to my ShakePay in seconds, like literally seconds. Then I can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then I have it. And then I can do whatever I want with it. I can buy and sell, I can hold it, I can take some risks. Tip number 3, you decided whether you're going to be an investor or a trader, you've decided which platform to use. Now you got to set some money aside. This is where things get tricky. Because hopefully you're investing in yourself, hopefully you have your bills covered, hopefully you have your savings or emergency fund. Then you have to decide how much money you're comfortable with risking. And I hate to say this, but you have to be okay with losing this money. So I wouldn't put my life savings into it, and yes, I know there's stories of people that put their life savings into Dogecoin, and they hit it big, they're billionaires on paper or whatever, That's not reality, There's a good chance you can lose this money, so decide how much you want to invest. I would recommend with a couple $100, you could do $1,000. If you can't handle the volatility of crypto, then I would just start off very slow, but then once you have a rough figure in mind, then it's time to invest. Tip 4, how come nobody ever does this before? So is this, start looking up coins. So like I said, I first bought Bitcoin and Ethereum, I was happy with that. And then I'm like, I want to see some other tokens. So I took some risks. As I mentioned in other videos, I bought some SafeMoon, I bought some Cardano. I won't even say the others, I took some stupid risks, I don't want to admit to them publicly. But yeah, start looking up different coins. So the way a lot of this works is like there's apps like Binance where you can buy anything. You can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum as your main crypto, then you can transfer it to another, or you can directly buy it on apps like Binance, where I directly bought Dogecoin and stuff. So as you can look up coins and this is on you. You can look up the tokenomics, you can get into detail, you can join forums, you can debate, you can go on Telegram, Twitter, and so on. If you want to get really into the space, but that's for you to decide. If not, just put your money into Bitcoin and Ethereum and see what happens. The final tip about, if you're ready to start investing into crypto right now is expect volatility. I've said this a million times, depending on when you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or any coin, things go crazy, So I forgot to mention earlier, I've been using MetaMask, so I'll transfer my money from my Binance to my MetaMask wallet, a wallet where you can hold your coins, your tokens, and you can buy other tokens. And I checked the other day and it was like really high, then it went back a few weeks later, then it was really low, and it's freaky, and it's shockingly volatile. So just expect that. Even the main coins, the main like crypto and Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're going down a lot. Are they going up a lot? This world is all over the place. Expect that. Know what you're getting into, and hey, good luck with your cryptocurrency investments.